Alright, we're changing out a 200 amp main breaker panel. We're at a panel change today. We're gonna go kick the power off so we could get this place started. Service Star is at its best. As you can see, we just pulled the meter. Boop. Pull it out of its socket in case of emergency. You could always do that at your own home. Pull it out of its socket. We're good to go. So now we're gonna go back downstairs, get it rocking. Oh yeah, look at that rat's nest, huh?
It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah. This panel's loaded. Looks.
A lot of circuits.
Yeah, a ton of circuits, huh? Holy cow. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're looking good here. We got the panel all set in. Junction box is nippled in. Wires looking nice and straight. Start breakering it up. So here's the finished product. Looking good. Take a closer look. The mess after that we have to clean up. And here's the old guy. What a difference. 200 amp main breaker panel. Looks good. Close the door here. Looks really good.
Nice.